Hi, we are now at Lenovo Codathon event. Here with me we have Hu Xunjue. Can I get you to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Sun Jie. I run the Adobe Flash user group. So basically, we're a community of like-minded Flash developers and Flex developers, and our monthly meetings where we can to talk about codes and geek out and basically share the cool stuff that we do for every month. And in my day job, I work for Google as a rich media specialist, whereby I handle innovations for Flash and display advertisements.
Okay. What do you think are the best practices for coders in this 24-hour challenge?
Well, I guess because they have less than 24 hours, so the best practice that they can do is to really drill down to the responsibility of each team member in the team, and also to use reusable libraries as much as possible. So if they can do that, then and have a very shared responsibility within the team itself, then they will be able to succeed. So basically, the coders, they have to keep their focus, and so that within the 15 to 18 hours itself, they can code like for 4 hours, but after that they might lose their focus, or sometimes they can even code and the next moment they're actually sleeping. So yeah, the tough job is to keep the focus going and to really make sure that during the time itself, have to focus and make sure that you don't kind of like code out of the team that is set during the competition. Because I have been in several competitions myself in the past when I started out coding and development, and this is one problem that I faced. So at the start of the competition, like everyone is very fresh, we code extremely fast, and by 3 to 4 a.m. you realize that someone that is supposed to code a very critical component piece, he's like falling asleep and he can't code anymore. So really the team synergy is very important to keep everyone going and the focus going on. Okay. I would say that they really have to keep to the team and make sure that they have enough time to test the application. Like they should leave around 3 hours to actually test the application, and not to kind of like leave until the last minute before they compile the application and try to integrate everything. Because as someone that has worked in the development field for the past 5 years, we all know that like last minute compilation, sometimes things just goes wrong. So they have to leave sufficient time, make sure that they cut off and freeze the code like 2 to 3 hours before the deadline, and then just compile it, integrate it, and do cosmetic changes, and make sure that it's just the 20% polishing that really makes the application shine before the judges.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.